Ever wake up with a sore jaw? Let's talk about bruxism. Bruxism is when you grind, gnash, or clench your teeth. It can cause headaches, jaw pain, and even damage your teeth. But don't worry, Carmel Dentist is here to help. Our friendly team can spot the signs of bruxism early and offer treatments like custom night guards. These night guards protect your teeth while you sleep, giving you a pain-free morning. Plus, our experts will guide you through stress relief techniques to reduce grinding. No more waking up sore, just restful, refreshing sleep. Visit Carmel Dentist and let us help you beat bruxism for good. Call today to schedule your appointment.